Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now we're gonna show you how to make Thai green curry. First of all, we're gonna put some oil in a pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic because now I'm gonna add some onion. Well, most of the recipes you're not gonna see that today adding the garlic and onion, but I put it because I like the flavor of the onion and the garlic, because there is lots of garlic and onion in green curry paste. Now I'm going to add my chicken. Viewers, with that, if you want to like a bit hot, add some extra chili. If you like less, put some less chili. Viewers, my chicken is nearly 70-75% ready. So now I'm going to put the Thai curry paste. Look at that color, how beautiful they look. Viewers, we're going to put a couple of spoons of fish sauce now. They're going to season them and we're going to season it as well. I'm going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit of pepper. Now we're going to add our vegetables to it. Some bok choy. Viewers, we add our coconut milk now. Now we're going to bring it to boil, and in a few minutes it's going to be ready, and we're going to add a little bit of lime juice to it and we'll be ready to serve. Viewers, our curry is nearly there. I'm going to put few drops of lemon juice to it just to balance the flavor. Wow, look at that, how beautiful that looks. Now it's time to serve. Viewers, that's my beautiful Thai green chicken curry. You can serve it with some steamed rice or jasmine rice. It's yummy, delicious. Enjoy. Viewers, if you like my video, please put your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So have a very good day. Thank you for watching.